Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I am going to show you how I apply, I should say, my stick on nails or my press on nails. I've had quite a few requests from people when I've done Primark hauls and things like that, and obviously I've said that I can get my press on nails to last sort of 2 to 3 weeks, and a lot of you have asked me to do a video of this. So that is exactly what I'm going to do today. I've actually been sent some beautiful nails from MelodySusie, so I'm going to be using those nails today in the video, but they have actually sent me 3 packs of nails. So I have these really cute unicorn ones, and then I also have these really classy looking ones with some diamantes on. I actually thought these would be beautiful for a wedding or something like that. And then also these really nice iridescent ones too. So yeah, these nails are actually acrylic nails. So they're made from acrylic, but obviously they're press-ons. They do come with the sticky tabs. I'll go through everything when I show you the video of me applying them, but they do come with the jelly tabs, which are really good. Don't get me wrong. You can get kind of like 7 to 10 days out of those. But for me, I want them to hang out until I get my nails done before I go away. So I want them to last 2 to 3 weeks. So I'll be using nail glue with them today. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I apply them. So this is what my nails look before I start. I have just removed some acrylic, so that's why they look a bit rough at the moment. So I'm going to be using these nails along with a file, a cuticle pusher, some nail glue, some nail cutters and a brush. So I'm going to start off by taking the cuticle pusher and just pushing back my cuticles at the base of my nail. I want to make sure that I remove any of the skin from the nail plate, because obviously when the nail is on top it can make an air pocket, which will then cause the nail to lift off. So you want to make sure that your nail surface is completely clean of any skin, anything like that. And then I'm going to take my file. This is a very soft file, so you know it's not rough at all. And I'm just going to take it and just buff the top of my nail just to kind of rough it up a bit. I'm paying particular attention to the base part, obviously where I've just removed that cuticle, just to make sure that if there is any skin left on there, that's all completely gone. And it looks like I'm actually pressing quite hard, but I'm really not. So just very, very lightly buffing over the surface of the nail. Then I'm going to take my nail brush and just get rid of any dust that's left on the nail, because obviously we don't want that under there either. And that's how they look afterwards. So they look all pretty kind of roughed up and just a bit dull looking really. So I'm going to take my nails now. So there's 24 in this pack. Obviously you're not going to use all 24, but the idea of that is that there's different sizes. You also get this little kit, which is really quite handy. So we're going to take the nails first, and then this is what they look like. I'm going to start by just sizing them up. So as you can see, they look really nice. They're really sturdy. So when I push on them, you know, they're not flexing or anything like that. They're very, very sturdy, strong looking nails. So I like to tip them into a little tray because I just like it makes it a little bit more easier to find your sizes this way. And as I say, I'm going to start by just sizing them up. So you want them to be kind of flush to the nail, so that when you press on them they don't like pop up a little bit. It's really hard to explain, but so that they're flush to the nail and obviously no bits down the sides. So I'm going to take this little kit. And in here we get an alcohol wipe. We've got a little cuticle pusher or orange stick and a file. And then we also have these little gel sticky tabs that you can put on your nails. I'm not going to be using these, but you know, if you do want to use them, you can get up to sort of 7 to 10 days out of them. I want to get more like 2 to 3 weeks out of them, which is why I'm using nail glue. But that's all you do. You just pop them onto the nail like that and then stick the nail on top of them. So they work really well, but I'm going to be using the glue. So I'm going to start by taking my wipe. So this is an alcohol wipe. So I'm just going to completely rub over my nail, obviously where I've buffed it, just to make sure that there's no oil or grease or anything like that left on the surface of the nail. All done. And then I'm going to take my glue, and what I do is I kind of squeeze on a little blob and then I spread it around the nail, and then after that I just take a little bit more and then kind of run around the edges, but I don't get so close that it touches my skin. I just kind of have a little margin just around the edge, because obviously when you put the nail on, it kind of squeezes it out a little bit as well. Then take the nail, and I like to just dip it in and then place it at the cuticle and then kind of rock it down and press really firmly, just so that there's no air pockets, and hold that for about 30 seconds, I'd say. I find that doing them this way, I do get normally around 2.5 weeks out of them, so they last really, really well. So that's what they look like with all of the nails stuck on. Really pretty. They're a little bit long for me though, so I'm going to take them a bit shorter. So I'm going to take my cutters and just snip off a little bit of the ends. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my file and just file them to shape. So I want them to be the same shape, that kind of almond shape, but yeah, just shorter. So as you can see, I'm just kind of filing from the side walls and I'm going curved into the centre, just like that. So yeah, same shape, just shorter, as I say. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest, and this is how they turned out. Really nice. So yeah, I absolutely love them. I love those unicorn horns. I think they're so cute. It's a shame that I didn't get to use the pink coloured ones, but unfortunately the sizing of my nails, there wasn't any that would fit my nails. So, but that's fine. I like them the way they are. So yeah, there we go. There's my beautiful unicorn nails. I actually love them. It's a shame, as I said, that I couldn't get any of the pink colour in there. But that's the thing with press-on nails, because obviously they're suited to certain nail sizes. I do have really tiny nail beds. So yeah, it's just one of those things. But saying that, I do really like the blue and the grey and the little unicorn horns as well. So as always, the products used in today's video I will link in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes, anything like that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!